Today we will be taking T-notes on nutrients. Nutrients are substances that provide energy and important nourishment for survival and for growth. We need these things in order to live and to repair any damage that happens to our body, as well as to be able to grow. There are many different categories. The first category is called carbohydrates, and this is a source of energy. There are two different kinds of carbohydrates. One of them is called simple carbohydrates or simple sugars. These are what it says, it is sugars. They lack vitamins, minerals, fiber. There really is nothing that important other than an energy source. It gets absorbed very quickly by the body. It is a quick source of energy, and some examples are juices, soda, candy, fruit, cookies, cake, and milk even has some sugar in there. The second kind of carbohydrate is known as a complex carbohydrate or complex sugars. It is starches. So these are different from the simple sugars because they don't get quickly absorbed. They are slowly absorbed by the body. They provide vitamins, minerals, fiber. So you do get some important things from complex carbohydrates. Breads, pasta, rice, crackers, and cereals are some examples of complex carbohydrates. Also notice that potatoes and yams or kumara are other examples that are not just grains. Protein is the second category of nutrients, and this is necessary in order for us to repair and to grow muscles and other broken tissue cells. Protein controls chemical reactions that are happening in the body. They help to send messages around the body, and protein also acts as an emergency energy source. So if you run out of sugars from your carbohydrates, then your body will start to use the protein as an energy source. It is kind of like its last resort. Some examples of protein are meats, fish, and eggs. A third category is known as lipids, and these are your fats and oils. This is a high source of energy. Fats and oils in our body helps to protect us from temperature changes. It acts as an insulation, and it also helps to make cell membranes, and it also is very necessary and essential in absorbing vitamins A, E, and K, for example. If you were to take a vitamin A, E, and K and not take it with any kind of fats, you would not be able to absorb those vitamins. A last thing that fats do is that it helps you to feel full. Without this, you won't feel full very quickly, and so you might therefore eat more food than you normally would if you actually did have some oil or fat in your meal. Some examples of fats and lipids are milk, butter, eggs, cheese, and oils, of course. The fourth category of nutrients is known as minerals. These help you to conduct many of the chemical processes that are in the body, and they are found in other foods. For example, iron is a mineral and it is found in meat. Calcium is found in milk, and iodine can be found in eggs and in salt. Here are some pictures to give you an idea of where you can find some of these minerals. So for example, iron can be found in pumpkin seeds or in apricots, pistachios, a lot of the nuts, as well as in broccoli. So as you can see, some vegetables, some fruits, as well as liver, which is protein. In calcium, you have many different foods that you can find calcium in. And again, notice that broccoli is over here with iron, and broccoli is also over here with calcium. In iodine, for example, it's not just salt or seaweed. You can also find it in baked potatoes and in some meats, such as tuna and turkey, as well as some fruits. The fifth category of nutrients is known as vitamins, and these are chemicals that are needed in small amounts. It helps to keep our bodies functioning, doing all of the different processes that we need to do in order to repair, to regrow, just to live. We cannot make this in our own bodies, so we have to get them from other foods. For example, vitamin C can be found in many citrus fruits, and this will help with healing and growth. Vitamin A can be found in carrots, for example, and it helps with healthy skin and organ health in general. For vitamin E, you can find it in spinach, and this will help with the health of your hair and nails. Vitamin D can be found in milk, and this will help you to have strong bones and teeth. The sixth category of nutrients is known as fiber, and this cannot be broken down by the body. It keeps the digestive system healthy, and it acts as a food source for the good bacteria in our gut. We have bacteria in our intestines, and that fiber actually helps to feed that bacteria to help us stay healthy. When we have fiber in our diet, it helps in weight control and it helps to manage our blood sugar. And we can find this in certain plant products, things that, for example, grains, breads, pasta, rices, fruits, and vegetables. Anything that you think has a lot of fiber, right? Strings, something that's like roughage. That is what fiber is. And we need that in our system in order to be healthy and to move things along in the digestive tract. And the last category is water. Water carries the nutrients to your cells. It helps to carry waste from your body. It helps us to regulate our body temperature. It helps dissolve vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that we need. It helps to lubricate joints. Water is so necessary, and it can be found in fruits, vegetables, as well as in its liquid form that we drink every day. All right, we've reached the end of our TNOTES. Thank you for watching and have a great day.